The rupee weakened to a record low on Monday, November 11, 2024 to 84.3875 in early trading hours. Donald Trump's victory in the US presidential elections pressured Asian currencies over the weekend and also triggered outflows from the Indian stock market. A likely intervention from the Reserve Bank of India kept it falling further. However, a Bloomberg report cited that the RBI was ready to let the rupee weaken in tandem with the Chinese yuan because of Donald Trump's win, creating fears of higher US tariffs. This is because a depreciating Chinese yuan will make Chinese goods cheaper and further increase India's trade deficit. Asian currencies were mostly 0.1 to 0.4% weaker, while the dollar index didn't change too much at 105, being close to a 4-month high seen last week because of Trump's win. The turbulence in currencies of the emerging market economies is likely to continue for some time as picture over Donald Trump's trade policies becomes more clear. A resounding Trump victory in the US presidential elections led to a sharp decline in gold prices too, as traders booked profit. Some concerns have flooded the market on concerns over a possible rise in the US fiscal deficit on Trump's stance of stimulating US growth. This strategy would entail huge borrowings, which in turn would push up the US yields. This has led to gold prices dropping. Healthy risk appetite is also weighing on the metal. The US borrowings would put an upward pressure on the US yields and support the US dollar index. Trump's tax cut propositions would also increase the US borrowing, as his planned tariff impositions on trading partners are unlikely to fund the resulting fiscal deficit. Both fiscal deficit and debt to GDP ratio are expected to rise further along with inflation. This has had an impact on the gold prices.